everyone, welcome back to another English practice video with me, Gabrielle. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today, I'm going to teach you the English articles. The English articles are the and an. Articles are like adjectives and they precede a noun, but you can also put articles before adjectives. The English articles are the, a, and an. The is a definite article. A definite article is a word referring to something specific, a particular thing, object, or person. For geographical locations, you would use the word the for big groups of areas or specific large locations, such as the Middle East, the equator, or for deserts like the Sahara Desert, groups of mountains like the Rocky Mountains, to refer to the name of rivers like the Nile River or the Tigris River. You would also use the word the to refer to islands such as the Canary Islands. Normally, you wouldn't use the word the before the name of a country or city or street. The exceptions for countries would be the Netherlands, the Dominican Republic, the United Arab Emirates, and the United States, the United Kingdom, the Philippines. And for languages, you would only use the word the if you're referring to a group of people in a geographical area that speaks that language, such as the Spanish people, the German man. Let's move to the next article. A and an. A and an are the same. Their difference refers to the sound of the beginning of a word. Does the beginning of that word have a consonant sound? Does it have a vowel sound? Now I will elaborate. A and an are indefinite articles, so they aren't referring to a specific thing. They are referring to anything that isn't specific, such as, I had seen a dog running across the street today. I had seen a child crying. You don't know what kind of dog. You don't know whose dog it was that was running across the street. You don't know whose child was crying. You just know that it was a child and it was a dog. So you would use the word a. Now, when do you use the word a or the word an? Well, the word a would be used before any word that has a consonant sound, such as my examples I just stated. You saw a dog running across the street. D is a consonant sound in the word dog, so you would use a instead of an. And you saw a child crying, well, it starts with ch, which is also a consonant sound, so you would use a. Trickier words are the words that start with the letter H. If the H can be heard, such as historical or hurry, you would say a hurry, a historical novel. You would use an before any word that has a vowel sound at the beginning of it. It doesn't have to start with a vowel as long as the sound is a vowel, such as the word hour. Hour, H-O-U-R, has a silent H. So you would think you would use the word a because the beginning of the word is a consonant. But you can't hear the consonant. You hear the vowel ow. So you would use an hour. I will be there in an hour. But you think it would be obvious when you see a word that starts with a vowel that you would use the word an, like European? No. European has a consonant sound to it at the beginning. It sounds like Y-O, y. But no, you would use a before European because it has a consonant sound at the beginning. I saw a European market down the road today. So always keep in mind when you use the words a and an, what does the word sound like after that article? Does it sound like a vowel? Does it sound like a consonant? Then you will know when to use the word a or an. Let me give you some correct examples so you're not confused. I read a historical novel today. I went on an outing today with my friends. I went to a European Christmas market today. I had a child come by and ask me for some money today. I saw a cat playing with another cat down the street. To summarize this video, the is a definite article, something that refers to something in particular, such as I saw the policeman who helped me earlier this year. You didn't see any ordinary policeman. You saw the specific policeman that had helped you earlier this year. A and an are indefinite articles, referring to things that aren't specific, such as I saw a child crying. You didn't see any child you don't know whose child it is, you just know you saw a child crying. And also, you use a in this sentence because the beginning of the word child sounds like a consonant. You would use the word an if it doesn't sound like a consonant at the beginning of a word, such as an hour ago, I went to my grandmother's house. I hope you all found this video helpful. I hope now you will remember to use articles and sentences also. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and share it with your friends, and stay tuned for further videos. And always leave your tips in the comments. They're always appreciated. Have a great week, everyone. Bye for now.